Today I want to show you the new sharpening steel. We have finally made it, and it's a new product and new technology. We was using the material called PBT. PBT standing for is polyturbine terephthalate. It's a food grade, food safe as well, and the new technology. The handle is not printed, so it's not printed. It's molded, and it's come with 5 different colors. We have also green color and also rainbow color as well. So I'm showing this one here to you. We have just came down this fine round steel, and we also have a flat one. So right now I'm testing the new sharpening steel. I love this job. The turn up knife. So right now we're testing sharpening. Sharpen. You're about to finish, you just slide it, and after that you can burn. You can remove all this burn. So now testing the sharpness. So this one will be available in early October this year. Okay, price is very competitive. Thank you very much.